So good afternoon, good day, sir. I am Shahida XERXY CUIZON, and I will present to you our final output for this subject. So we have created a point of sale system from in our business called Caffeine Bay, which is a coffee shop. So for this one, I will explain to you the managed brand feature of the system, as well as the category and the product. So first, I will demonstrate to you the manage brand part. So if you click this button, as you can see, I have already entered the brands of our products. So just to demonstrate to you, I will add a sample. So if you want to add a brand, you have to just click this plus button here, and then you will create a brand name. So for this one, you cannot add any symbols or number. You can only it is only restricted to characters. So for the brand name, for example, I will add coffee, uh, coffee, and then as you can see, we have three buttons here: save, update, and cancel. So for this one, you have to click the save, but the update button is disabled because you for this one you are just going to add a brand. So it is we have disabled this part, but you can also click this cancel if you want to cancel this one. But if you want to save this, you just have to click this. For example, you will save this coffee, and then this will prompt, are you sure you want to add this brand? And then you will click this yes. Record has been successfully saved. Okay. So as you can see, we have this coffee brand, right? But since this is not part of the brand list of our final output, so I will just delete this one because this is not necessary anymore. So this is just for demonstration now. So if you want to delete this brand, then you will just delete this. Click this trash icon here, and then please confirm if you want to delete this brand. Yes. Okay. Brand has been successfully deleted. So for the update button, you will just click this pencil icon here. For example, you want to edit this brand Caffeine by Beans. So you want to change it to Caffeine by Bean. And then you will click this update button. So for this one, as you can notice, you cannot click the save button because it is disabled. So meaning this portion is just intended for the updates. So you will click this update. Are you sure you want to update this brand? Yes. Brand has been successfully updated. Okay. So as you can see, na-update na siya, no? So let's move forward to the category part. Manage category. So same ra gyapon siya o process. You will just, if you want to add a category, you will just have to click this button. And then category name, you will enter the category name. And then if you want to delete, you will just have to click this trash icon. So for the category part, we have a coffee category, we have drinks, and then sweets. For the brand, we have Caffeine Bay Bean, Caffeine Bay Bites. This is the sweets part. These are the sweet part, the sweets, those who those desserts. And then the Caffeine Bay drinks are those na ginainom nato. So for the Caffeine Bay Bean mo ni silang mga coffee. So for the managed product, as you can see, we have already put our products. So we have the product code, the description according to the product code, and then the brand, which category, and then its price, and then the quantity of this. So for this one, I will demonstrate to you how to add a product. So you same process, you'll click this icon and then product code. So for this one, you can add integers and at the same time characters. So for example, product code is D023, and then description, for example, for the D signifies for drink. So if you want to add kanang a coffee, so you will just customize it to C and then so on. So for this one, I will add a drink. So for the description, I will add, for example, um, Coke Zero, Coke Zero. And then for the brand, this is a combo box. So we will just, whatever we have added in the in the brand and the category during the process of its management, so it will reflect here in the brand. For example, for the brand, we will we will categorize it, and we will add it to the caffeine based drinks, the Coke Zero, and then we will categorize it as drinks, and then we will add price. So for example, Coke Zero is 20 pesos. So for this one, for the price, it is a double integer, so it will automatically add a double integer. So as you can see, we will save it. Product has been successfully saved. And then if you will look for the added item, C23, D23. D23 here, Coke Zero. So caffeine based drinks. And then as you can see, the price here, it is a double integer. And then for the quantity, it it will be demonstrated by Mr. Ian Paul ACOBO later on. So if we want to delete this product, same process, we will click this trash icon. And then are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes. And then if you want to edit this, you can also edit this here. So same buttons, right? When you want to update a product, you will just click this update button, but the save button is disabled. But if you want to add a product, the update button is disabled this time, and then the save button is enabled. So we want to delete this Coke Zero because this is not part of the final product list. So I will just delete this one. And then for the search here, you can also, if you feel tired to search for a product because of this dagan-dagan gid siya. So if you want an immediate solution for that, then you will just type the product, that the description rather. You will type the product. So for example, you want to search the espresso. Espresso. So here, as you can see, di ba, makita na to. And then never mind for the -6 quantity because of the that that has been part of the transaction, which will be demonstrated by Mr. Jerome Sigongan. And then to add this search box here is from the package called modern Metro UI. So we used a modern Metro UI for this one. So that's all.
So, hello everyone, my name is Ian Polacobo. So, I will demonstrate to you the stock entry of in this system. So, stock and module. So, first you're going to enter the reference number. So, any number that you wanted to put there or the reference number. And then also stock and buy. So, my name is Ian Paul. So, I will put it Ian Paul ACOBO. Okay, let's proceed to the browse product. So if you're going to click the browse product, there's a lot of products that is in there, the P code, the descriptions. So if I'm going to select the for the example, I will select the code C001, which is the espresso. Let's proceed. In this product list, there are many products that in here. P code and the description, the quantity. If you're going to add a mocha C014, there's a check icon, and then if you will click that, and then here it goes. Add this item. If you say no, automatically exit, and if you say yes, successfully added. Okay, and then stock and date. Okay, in the stock and date, if you're going to edit or customize your time or date, you can customize your time and date. Okay, in this area, as what you observed last time, I we added espresso. So there is a trash bin or a trash logo in the right side of the espresso or the item that you choose. Okay, how to delete it? All you have to do is that to click the trash bin or trash logo, and then you can see the remove this item. If you're going to click yes, this item has been successfully removed. So okay, as what you can see, the monitor, there is no espresso at all. And then if you're going to add for the example the quantity of your product, if there's a upcoming or product that you're going to add, it's kind of a loading. Okay, okay, if you add 100 and then click the save, and then yes, are you sure you wanted to? Okay, and in the stock history, okay, click the stock history. We added, so this is the stock in history. So you can see all the items that you've added there. Mm-hmm. So look at uh, the item that that we add here.
Good day, everyone. This is JOANNA, and I will be demonstrating to all of you the sales history and our user settings in our system, which is the point of sale caffeine bay. So in this area, we have here the upper part, which is our filtering by date. So it has range date for all of the products and so on that's sold in the very day or week, or should I say. And we can also know who are the in charge cashier from that very moment. Yes. So in this part, if you're gonna go check the total sales of all cashier, okay, and then you will see total for the range date. And then if you're gonna go okay, if you're gonna go specify who's the cashier, for example, for the CUIZON, you can also see the total sales of her, 425 pesos. So let's go for print preview. So yes, gonna go see this, our caffeine day description, our codes, our price, quantity, as what I have mentioned a while ago. So yeah, and for printing, let's go for printing. Yeah, so Microsoft printing PDF, we also have this. Save that. If you have the printer. No. If you have printer, then you can actually go print that one. And if you don't have it, you can also save that into as a PDF and so on. Okay, and then you're just gonna go save it. That's what I have mentioned a while ago. Okay, then let's go for, I will be demonstrating now again our user settings. So in our user settings, we can create our account, your own account. All you have to do is fill in your information. Of course, your username, JOANNA REDONDO. And of course, your password. You're gonna go log in any account. You should have your password, of course. Yeah, and you type your password, your user role. Well, of course, guys, if you will be on developing this user role, you have to be specific. If you're gonna go with administrator, or you will be going to be a cashier, because that's so very important if you sign any account. So I'll go with cashier for now, and you're gonna go specify your name. Yeah. Okay, and then let's gonna go save that. If you're done with that Philippine thing, then you're gonna go save it. So yeah, your new account has been saved. And that's all. I thank you.
So good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I'm Jerome Sigongan, one of the group member of SHAHIDA CUIZON. Um, I'm one of the developer of this project. So this is our project POS system, Caffeine base. So today I will demonstrate to you the uh, uh, login part uh, of our system. So we have two dashboard. So the admin side and the cashier side. So if we log in as cashier, we automatically direct to the um, cashier dashboard. And if we log in as admin, we direct to the admin side dashboard. So example, I have to log in as administrator. So example, I have to log in as administrator. So Jerome. So access granted. So what if I will back muna. So what if I will the password or the user is wrong or not right. So invalid username or password. So welcome, Jerome Sigongan. So this is the admin side, which demonstrated by my crew members, the stock entry, managed product. So yeah. So if we log in as a cashier, we automatically directed to the cashier dashboard. So example, JOANNA. So um, so last time Joanna demonstrated to us how to create an account as a cashier. So let's see if Joanna is already registered as a cashier. So Joanna Redondo, welcome. Access granted. So here's the dashboard of uh, cashier. So we cannot start. We cannot search product if uh, we cannot we cannot start. We cannot search product if we not click this new transaction. So this is the very first step to begin a new transaction. So as we can see, no, sa transaction number we have 2022-05-22. So this is the date right now, and this one is the ID or the transaction ID. So um, and this is the search box for if we will search for the items na lang. So and if you are tired of if di mo makita yung di mo um, uh, if you will not remember the name of that item, so you have to search product na lang. So here's we have the products, the price code, the descriptions, the brand, category, price, and quantity. You can search here uh, anything in the product. So if the customer have to buy the Coca-Cola can or this one, the coffee, depending on the item that the customer want to uh, purchase. So example one, then this one, this one. Mm. So as you can see the total here, then the sales total, the discount. The discount, as we can see now, discount is zero pa. So the VAT, you can see the date, the time. So what if we add a discount on that specific item to all the item? Ala. So discount 0.1. So no, nakasave siya. So, discount, yes. And a discount 0.1 lang din. So as we notice that the price is automatically calculated kung when we add a discount. 0.1. Then a discount 0.1. So after this one, we settle payment. So this is the total. So what if the customer have um, uh, 500 pesos? So na siya change. So we have to enter. Then automatically the receipt as generated. So ano yung mga resibo. So the cashier is Joanna Redondo, the invoice or the transaction number, the date, and the description, price, quantity, and total. So we print this one as PDF since wala man tayo printer. So, see, save this one on the desktop. So, ayan. And after this one, payment successfully saved and okay. Then, tada. And new transaction again for the another customer.
Good day, sir. I'm Joaquin ALVISO. So I will demonstrate today, or the continuation of JOANNA is all about the daily sales. So after I click the daily sales, so you can see here all the items that what is JOANNA already sell. So we can't um, edit this filter by date from to, because only the admin can check off this part of filter about the rate. So these all the items that Joanna sale today. So after that, I will gonna close this one. Then I will also demonstrate about in changing password of Joanna. So I will click the change password. So the old password of Joanna is 12345. If I will add one or another character of her password, then I will change it for a new password. For example, 1234. Then I will confirm the new password, 1234. If I will save this one, there is a dialogue that the old password did not match, because the old password of Joanna is 12345, but I add it 6 so that we can confirm if this um, option will function. So I will try the exact password of Joanna. So the old password of Joanna is 12345. Then the new password, I will put 1234. Then confirm new password. If I will save this, there is a dialog will tell to if I will change password it. So I will click yes. So new password has been successfully saved. So the password of Joanna, the cashier, her old password will be changed. So I will click OK. Then if I will click the close, then close application, then I will try the account of Joanna if we already changed her password. So I will write her name, Joanna Redondo. 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 So our new password is 1234. I will log in this one. So it will tell that the account of Redondo Joanna, we can open now the account of Joanna. Then we can see again her sales for today. So that's all my report, sir, to our POS Caffeine Bay.
So, hi guys, I'm Maria Aluna CRUZ. So now I will demonstrate how to cancel order if the customer will not satisfy to the product they order. So sa diari na kanang kuan atong makita ang maritan mo ni inyong product na gi order. So kaning naay X sa kilid na inyohang makita diha diha i-click if gusto mo mag-cancel og order. So ato na i-click ang kanang kuan X. So inig ma-click na siya, makita na nato ang kuan cancel ang details sa inyong gi-order nga kuan nga product. So makita nimo kung kanang unsay kanang description niya, ang price, ang quantity, kung pila siya kabuok. So i-cancel ani i-kuan nato i-add to inventory. So i-click nato ng add to inventory atong i-kuanan yes. Then iyang quantity kung pila siya kabuok, palitan duha ang imong gikuan nga order or isa. So butang nato one, isa ka product. Then reasons nimo nganong imo nang gi-cancel na order. So palitan imong reason is kanang kuan na short imong kwarta. Unsa may kuan na short kag sa imong budget. So kani siya dili ni siya ma-cancel order if imuhang kaning sa cancel items niya kung napay blanco, so di na siya ma-cancel. So kailangan gyud nato na siya i-fill up tanan. So butang to reasons kato na short iyang kwarta. Then i-click na to ang cancel order. O mogawas na siya ang kuan kanang kung kinsa ay unsang account ang magamit para ma-void na, so palitan sa supervisor na account or sa admin. So butang nato sa admin na account, example Jerome. Dayon iyang kuan dayon password. Tapos i-click ra dayon nato na ang void. So automatic na siya mawala na din to imong gi-cancel na order. O di ba nawala na ganiha tulo na kabuk ang product, so karon duha na lang. So automatic na to siya ma-cancel. Ing atoon lang siya pag kanang kuan ang paagi. So mao ra to guys.